Hello, my subscribers. I'm doing a daily vlog because I just want to, and I really want to show you this. If you can see it, right.
Can you get my pillow? No, wait.
Erilyn's trying to fix her bed, and it's a masterpiece, and I love it.
Stop, everybody, stop!
It's a little bit dark.
But you can stay in here.
Erilyn, come on, get in the camera.
No.
Come on!
No.
Look, you want to get in the camera? Look, you want to get in the camera? Luke, look behind you. Say hi. Say hi to my subscribers.
Me?
Yeah, you. Say hi. Oh. Oh. Will you say hi? Say bye.
Bye.
That was my little brother, Nikki. I love him.
No.
Mine.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
If you want to see my little sister,
No.
leave a comment down below in the description. And you can see her doing this.
In my ear. Well, you yap, I'll see it. But it's like you're fixing and applying to your bit. Please read it, just do it. Laura's a feisty little thing. She's got
Ah, you're on video. I've got her on video. Now she hates me.
Don't get my bed!
She just screamed in my video. I like to do it. Look, you want to get in the camera again? Erilyn, do you want to get in the video? Oh! Oh! All I want...
I hate to be in the video.
So subscribers. No, it's not going to be on Facebook. It's going to be on YouTube. If you cannot tell, I'm sick because of Erilyn. And goodbye!